Python testing true/false condition on data frame column and returning output in new column. I'm very new to coding in Python, so I'm trying to get to grips with some basics. Any input is appreciated. I have a list of weekly dates, and I'm trying to run an if statement on the days, i.e. if the day number is less than 7, create a column with a factor x, or else create a factor y, as in the table below. I tried the code below. And got an error, which I have looked into, and understand that the code above is attempting to test the whole column, and hence there cannot be an unambiguous true/false response. I have seen some comments about all/any, but these also do not give me the response I'm looking for. Is there a way of testing each item in a column and returning a different output depending on the value?
If needed, convert the week column datetime type using _datetime, then you can just compare the day attribute using dt.day and use this as the condition for np.where.
You can use apply. This should work for your use case. This will iterate over each row, axis equals 1, and check the day value. If it is less than 7, the value will be y, else it will be in. This outputs, for example, also, since you already have a day column, you can just work with it directly and avoid an apply.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.